Hi guys, in today's video I will show you an amazing feature from the latest After Effects update. Previously, I shared a tutorial about the Quick Matte tool and showed how much faster and improved rotoscoping has become with the new update. If you have not seen that video yet, make sure to check the description, but after this tutorial, because this one is important too. If you have installed After Effects version 26.2, you will notice a new icon here. When you click it, it opens the Quick Apply window. So what does it do? It works similarly to FX Console, but now it is built directly into After Effects. If you select a layer and search for any effect, for example turbulent noise, and click to apply it, the effect will be instantly added to the selected layer. It works similarly to FX Console, but that plugin still offers more features and controls that I personally use every day. Still, it is great to see Adobe adding this feature, especially for those who do not have FX Console, as it provides a built-in alternative. To open it, press Ctrl+Enter, or click the lightning icon here. You can quickly apply almost anything to a layer. For example, if you have presets installed, like AM Film Shakes, you can simply type the shake name, and it will instantly find and apply it to the selected layer. You can also see all the resolution variations like 4K horizontal, 4K vertical, and more. Since my composition is 1080p vertical, I will apply the Wavy Shake preset for 1080p vertical. And there we go, it works perfectly. This is a really great tool to use, I really like it. You can also select multiple layers. Now open Quick Apply, and apply any effect to all selected layers at once. Everything you choose will be applied instantly to all selected layers in the timeline. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like.